Hi, today I'm going to talk about empowerment, which is the fourth value of the Care Leadership Program. This module is about self management and improving how we manage others and how we help them to take actions. Now, empowerment enables leaders to work through other people. Strengthening employees' autonomy to decide how to work makes it easier for employees to work remotely and also make it easier for leaders to manage their team. That reduces stress and reduces frustration because everyone knows what they need to do and how they need to do it, and they don't need to interact at every minute. So employees receive the tools and the support for the perform the task that they own. So they really own this task. They when they own this task, they feel more engaged. They feel like they really are part of the success of the company, and that also helps to make faster decisions and make them at the right level. Why? Because employees are closer to the customers. They know what the customer thinks about the product. They know how they interact, and they can make decisions about the product without having to go to other levels. Because why? Because they are empowered to make those decisions. But in order to do that, we have to build the right environment. And this environment has to do with three main things. There are many companies that are suffering a lot when they have to move remotely because the decision making is slower, the communication is lower, but there are many organizations that are really doing it better. And the three things that I mentioned that are the most crucial to achieve this are the leader, the team, and the work environment. And this is what we're gonna work on today. The leader's job is to work on first on himself, change the way you have to change the way you lead instead of keeping the ownership of the task. You have to let the team own the task. Encourage associates to set up goals and be the owners of their work. Then you have to work at the team level. You have to define team routines, uh, create an online environment with specific tools where people feel safe to provide updates. They know how to do it. They know at the right time. They know where to offer ideas or where to ask for updates. And then you also have to work at the individual level. You have to encourage self-organization so that the team members don't depend on you and actually are able to perform all those team routines that you have defined. So let's work together on these three skills about how to improve empowerment.